Let's go to work. Cool, excellent. Today, guess what we're doing? Hear this funny noise, so we're going to change the coil springs. Let's go to work. Take the cap off. Okay, so I'm using a bar to give you an idea how long it is. So you put that on. Right. So it is gas registered. Bit of plumbing, bit of repair today. We're going to go underneath the subframe there. The axle stand there. Drop it down. See what happens. There you go. We are good to go. Yeah, that's us. Like with coffee. So I trained many years ago as a mechanic. That was my first job. Vintage cars. I'm involved in motorsport. I do miss it. In London it's quite difficult. But I still work on my own cars and vans. Still got the knowledge from the past. Anyway, this is normally pretty tight, so I normally have to hit it with a hammer or something. But since, told you, this should do it. That was easy. What was I saying?
Oh,
That'll be.
that came off with.
Yeah, that's a snap.
It's just like
Undo this nut. That's a big old bolt. Yeah. Out. Right. That's our old one. And that's the top hat. So clearly that's broken there at the top. Got the top section with that tube where it goes onto, and that's the bump stop in the middle. And that's the bit at the bottom that locks onto it. So got to clean this up, put some grease on it, make it easier. Put a bit of grease on it just to make that mount go in there easier, just in case it gives me a bit of grief. And I'll do the same, stop it from rusting and all. Only joking. Do something up here as well. Sorry about the dodgy camera work, but I don't normally work under vehicles. The spring, these are the two fittings, and I've taped the top one on here, and then on the bottom got this all taped on in a few places. Oops, thumb stuck in there. Taped on here, taped, and then we'll put some lube in here, grease, and put it all back in there. That's the theory anyway. So the little indent here is the same as this bit here where it scallops out on here. So I put some grease on both of these ends, it's taped up, and we're going to try and put it in. Here's a little idea. We got a hole through the centre, so what we do is we take our long bar, put it through, and now we can just push down on this to crank that down as far as we want. That's that bit. Go for it. That's it, done. Okay, just stay there. Okay, that's about it. Bottom bolting, this one here. So we need to load up swinging arm here, or wishbone. So we push that up, will allow us to come through here. In fact, with my hand, I'll try and push that through. There you go. Put that on, tighten that up, and that is that one side done. And do it all over again on the other side. Two snap coils, if you put them together like so, they're in almost identical positions. The snap 12mm max here. The new ones are 22mm. This one is a new brake, historic, so this is old. It's been like that for a long time. How come it's never got picked up? I'll never know. So that van's looking a lot better now.